is actually two markets in one. First, it's a place where a new company can raise millions or billions of dollars overnight by offering ownership of the business to hundreds of thousands of small investors. These pieces of ownership are called shares of stock. New York was a tiny colonial outpost. In 1653, Pilgrims built a wall to keep out Indians. 100 years later, the wall was gone. But the path that ran beside it had become the heart of New York's commerce and society. Here was the auction block for slaves, and the pillory for public humiliation. George Washington was sworn in as the first U.S. president on Wall Street in 1789.
Hey.
This guy's a big deal. This guy's a big
Yes.
fighter. This guy's a big fighter. Getting the attention of Conor McGregor.
Hey.
Obviously, this guy has a phenomenal record. So that's a pretty big
Watch
deal.
out with our doll now.
To get Mayweather
See,
to board with this event.
Yeah, play with your dolly.
People out there spreading buzz
Yeah.
saying that Saitama is this and that. And yeah, I get
I said this doll is mama. I don't know nothing about doll. What type of doll this is?
But the fact that
It's a
they're getting Mayweather
Ballerina.
to partner up
You man them a dance pan them tour.
big deal. Like, that's
Pint.
really, really
Yeah, with my woman, you know, she no ramp to push this truck to the limit, you know, man. Real truck driver. All the range. She don't play if you drive the Range Rover. Man, she flyings, man. A man have to take care of him, woman. You know, a lot of men out here, them there with these girls. Them no make the girl them drive them vehicle. Them don't give the girl them the vehicle. Them don't bring the girl go shopping. Them no nothing for the girl. Them just a take from the girl. And a lot of girls out here, them get the world and never appreciate it. I know them not have nothing. You have to know where you stand in a life. You see me, not someone who kiss asses. So I know that I couldn't take anything from anybody. I know I had to work for mine. So I work for mine. So I make sure I am there for myself 100% of the way. You know? And the people who I am, when I extend my kindness, I really appreciate who appreciate me because them get the best treatment. Best treatment. Ask me, woman, she get the best treatment. That's all. You know what me do? Tell me.
Dude, the thing about you with your doucheness that makes no sense to me is that it is random. It's out of nowhere. We won't be fighting. We won't anything. But you say the douchiest of things out of fucking nowhere. And I'm standing there and I'm like, this is so uncalled for.
Give me an example
get
of like the
upset.
douchiest things.
You did it the other day. You did it today.
What me say?
When you're like, you have to stay around. Daddy cute, and Daddy can get who he wants. Bye. And then the other day you were like, what was it? Because I even thought the same thing. I was just saying that. I was like, bruh, so unnecessary. Like, why? Don't do anything. I really don't. Besides, take care of her and maybe annoy you a little bit.
Maybe annoy me a little bit.
How do I annoy you a lot, huh? What do I do? We barely even talk.
Yeah, I don't talk a lot.
Neither do I.
Right. My ex would just talk so fucking much. And that shit would annoy me sometimes.
We do talk. But it's when we both want to talk. Like, we can read our vibes. Like, we can tell when we don't want to. Like, I can tell when you don't want to talk, and I hope you can tell when I don't want to talk.
Yeah, I think I
know
kind of...
you just don't give a shit.
I can tell when you don't want to talk. For everybody who is independent, there's someone who is not independent. You get me? So every time you're with someone and they're like, you know, I don't need you. I have my own independence. You can always go find someone who needs you. Who you can be their independence. You get me? So I always look at things like, you got to know your position. Don't get tricked out of your position. And you got to appreciate those in your corner. What the hell is this guy doing? Driving like his blue sticker. Was that douchey?
That's funny. It took me a little bit to think, and then I was like, oh, okay, that's good.
Yeah, he's driving like his blue sticker. Anyway, man, it's your boy Donny British. I gotta go, man. Take care. My girl driving us safely. I don't know. I feel like I would eat something. Have you ever feel like you want road food but don't know what the fuck to get on the road?
14 pounds. Yes, mama.